Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by LUVME Hair Company. Thank you so much, LUVME Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. You guys, I am looking like a 10 out of 10 minus nothing. As you can see, I am glowing. As you can yo, when I move, the wig is moving. The camera is actually moving as well. Guys, I am looking like a 10 out of 10 minus nothing. I am looking too gorgeous. Can you see this? Look at the curls, guys. Look at that. This is absolutely gorgeous. The curls are nice and soft. They are bouncy. When I am talking, the curls, they will move. Okay, they will move. Look at that. And by the way, guys, if you are thinking that I used glue on this wig, you are wrong. This is a glueless wig. So this wig is a 5x5, guys. You can pat it this side, you can pat it this side, you can pat it in the middle. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is convenient for beginners. If you don't know anything about wigs, go get yourself this wig, because honey, this came like this out of the box. Okay, I just combed out the curls just to show you guys that the curls will bounce back when you're trying to define them. But other than that, guys, I really did not do anything to this wig. It came pre-plugged. Look at the parting. It is nice and long. It literally matches my skin tone. I am looking beautiful. I am happy with this wig. So please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from LUVME Hair Company. Ah, guys, I'm so beautiful. So I quickly wanted to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from LUVME Hair Company. This is their box. It is purple and silver, and look at that board. That is my favorite thing. I think you all know by now. So I'm going to unbox the love. So I got this user's guide, meaning if you do not know how to wash your hair, how to style your hair, how to define the curls, they've got you. Okay, storage bag that they sent me. LUVME Hair comb. It has an edge brush and an edge comb. This is a LUVME Hair scarf. The bonnet, cute. This is so cute. So now the baby girl, she is looking absolutely gorgeous. The curls are defined, guys. She is amazing. Look at her. Okay, let me take out the net. This net ensures that everything good, they style it there, and then when it comes here, it comes exactly the way they styled it. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this, guys. Look at the quality. Look at the way the curls are nicely defined. Look at that. Look at the parting. It is nice and wide. The knots are pre-bleached. I am so excited, guys. I love LUVME hair wigs. Like, they are giving me life. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so this is the 5x5 breathable cap, kinky curly natural black. It is glueless. It is a 5x5 closure. So this wig, when they say this wig is glueless, they mean this wig is glueless. So do not worry about it slipping off. So we've got this band, and then we've got this 2 extra belts to secure your wig. We also have how many combs? 1, 2, 3. We've got 4 combs. Okay, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and the other one here at the back. And you know what, this band is adjustable, so it doesn't matter if your head is small or your head is big, this wig is gonna fit. I'm so excited, you guys. It is nice and soft, by the way, inside. Okay, so this is how the wig is looking. It is nice and bouncy. Okay, look at that. Look at that. This is nice and bouncy. It is nicely cut. Boy, now it's okay. I'm really happy. The curls are nice and soft. I'm really happy. Okay, look, it literally looks like it's growing out of my scalp. Okay, look at that. Straight out of the box now. I get you also straight out of the box. This is how I am looking. I am looking like a 10 out of 10 minus nothing. Look at the curls. They are moving whenever I move. I'm so happy, guys. I am really happy. gosh, I look so cute. Wow, look at the parting. The wig is glueless, okay? So it's beginner friendly. So if you don't know anything about wigs, but you really love wigs, okay, go on the Love Me Hair website. I also have a discount code for you guys. Go get yourself this wig. Look at me, straight out of the box. But because I know how you guys are, you're gonna be like, oh no, we want to see you define the curls and what's so not. I'm gonna just, you know, just zhuzh it up just a bit. Okay, so all you need to define your curls is just water and conditioner, because when you're working with LUVME Hair Company, baby, the curls will just bounce back that easily. Okay, the curls will be defined very quick. Okay, so I'm so happy, guys. Like, look, the way they hot combed it here on top, meaning I don't really have to do much to this wig. Ah, this is gorgeous. This is so full. So do you see how easy it is, guys, to define the curls? This was just only to, you know, just to show you guys that the curls actually bounce back super easily. So I'm just going to define them this side as well.
So your tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars would never let you down. And you keep
this wig fits like a glove. This wig is beautiful. I'm happy, guys.
That's just love. You should know some things will hurt, and you'll end up getting burned. I just hope that you will learn. That's just love. That's just love. Get back up again, even if you don't know when, and it feels like the world is coming down on you.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from LUVME Hair Company. Okay, it is giving life, period. Okay, it is giving glueless. I think y'all can see it. I'm even glowing. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Look at the, I'm like really obsessed. I'm actually obsessed with everything, but look at the potting. It is nice and wide. There's no glue. I get la guys, there's no glue. I'm just happy, guys. So I also have a discount code for you guys, so do check the description box for that discount code. Get yourself some coins off, get yourself this wig, look this gorgeous. Okay, until next time, bye guys.